Hi. I saw that people make their own peanut butter. So I had bought this bag of peanuts with intention to make my own peanut butter. The machine's set. The nuts are in. Okay, apparently I wasn't recording. So it's kind of late because I've already almost done it. Let's see. Nut butter? Are you kidding me? The machine's very loud. Excuse that part of it. I haven't used it in, oh my god, like more than a year. So this is the guy who designed it, the guy from the Doctor's TV show. Just yesterday at the health food store, I wasn't looking at it, but I saw this peanut butter powder, I guess for baking or something. This is probably what they're talking about. To make peanut flavored things. I'm trying to make peanut butter. When is it going to be buttery? Apparently, folks, we were supposed to use slow machine. This should, but this is not even slow. Is it on? It is now. Okay. Maybe it's me, my peanuts are a little, but I ate most of them. They were here. So I'm just going to go ahead and add a bit of this. They say not to add any water-based liquids. So this is oil. It's not water-based. I hope. I'm just going to go ahead because I don't have all day. I got dishes to do for my meal prep this morning. And I'm going to put away the rest of my meal prep. So obviously, can't be sitting here trying to make peanut butter all day. Okay. Now we're talking. Just like I like it, crunchy. It's crunchy peanut butter. It's very little and my bottle is very big. I mean, it's peanut butter. What I can tell you as a tip is it's crunchy, just like I like it. It's too salty if you use regular salted nuts. If you must use these kinds of nuts, just regular peanuts, use unsalted ones. And then add a little bit of salt as per your own requirement. You're gonna use oil, which I probably will if I'm going to make this again. Maybe next time I'll try. I'm also gonna try to make my own almond flour, which is just like you said, the peanut powder. That's basically what almond flour is for those gluten-free bakers or none this and none that, fat, what is it, low carb, high this, and all those things that's going on nowadays. But they say if your speed of the blender is slow enough, it's eventually going to get to the peanutty state, and then you can start adding oil depending on how it came out. Instead of adding oil first, meanwhile you would have been happy with how it was going to come out anyway. That's all, folks. Thanks for watching. Let me clean my house. I'll see you soon. Next time I do another experiment or another driving video or weight loss video. Who knows? Bye. Please subscribe. Okay, one last bit before I finally officially go. I want to smile, but I've been eating so many crunchy things that I don't think it's a good idea. I put a little bit of the self-made peanut butter on my self-made coconut bread from yesterday. A lot of roughage from the crunchy nuts to the crunchiness of coconut. Boy,